Hey guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So this is not something I normally do, but we're going to do an unboxing of this baby registry by Amazon. So I don't know much about it. My wife did all the work, but she's going to give you a little rundown of some of the steps that she did to get this and see what's inside of it. We're going to open for the first time. So without further ado, it's my wife Donna, and she's going to explain the box.
So I got this from Amazon. So you need an Amazon Prime account in order to get the box. It's until quantities are available. So it took a couple weeks for it to come in. So inside, I'm not even sure what's in there, but they give you a box of, I think, with diapers or wipes for your newborn. So I'm just gonna go open it up and see what's in there.
And yes, she is pregnant. So we have a baby coming around January, and this is the first time we're opening this, so this will be interesting. So of course they labeled in English and French. You saw the English side a while ago, and French.
So as you can see, it gives you a card that says Baby Registry by Amazon, and it says, "We hope you enjoy your gift." So within that, as you can see, it gives you a Pampers bag.
Whoa, that's pretty cool.
And gives you 20 newborn wipes, or diapers I mean. And then it gives you a package of sensitive wipes.
And is this something that you had to pay for?
Nope, it was all free.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
And then it gives you a Baby Dove tip to toe wash.
What else we got there?
And then Ivory laundry detergent, dental care.
Yeah, that's something that every new mother or parents could have.
And then gives you a bottle as well.
That's pretty cool. Well, thanks Amazon. Again, we're not sponsored by Amazon or anything. I just like to do videos just on some DIY stuff or some, in this case, some neat things that you can do. So again, my wife said all you have to do is have an Amazon Prime account. I believe it's around $80 Canadian. And then with that, then whereabouts do you go on if you have Amazon Prime? Like, what? How do you get this?
There's a link on Amazon that you can just do Baby Registry, and you can just type that in, and then this offer will come up until we have quantities. If there's none, then you won't get a package. So sign up quickly.
That's pretty cool. So again, I'm not sponsored by Amazon or anything, but we just wanted to show you something that's kind of under the, it's not very normal, I guess, because there's baby registries everywhere. You know, of course, Toys R Us, Walmart, stuff like that. But not very many people think that there's one for Amazon. So this is another way you can make awareness of different ways to get baby registries. So it's a cool way. Plus they give you a bunch of free stuff, which is really cool to start out and try some of these products. And some of these products you might like, and you might end up buying for your newborn. So yeah, thanks for watching our unveiling of this box, and yeah, hopefully you guys can take advantage of this too, and maybe spread the word, because again, it's not something I didn't know about for sure. I didn't even cross my mind to think that exists. But this is a cool thing that Amazon does. I think it's really great, even though they don't give you like huge quantities, which like it doesn't really matter because it's free. And I think it's just a really nice thing to do for some new families, or maybe it's your second or third kid. I think it's a great idea, and these are some of the products that you might actually use for your newborn. So it's a good way to try them out, and who doesn't like free stuff? So my wife just wants to say thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to his channels, please. Give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit that bell. Thanks so much.